So when developing a high-quality formulation, it's very important that you subject that formulation to an extensive amount of testing to ensure it's going to be very robust and it's going to be consistent every time you go to use it, because these products are going to sit on a shelf for a period of time and they need to be robust. So we'll subject our formulations to a wide range of storage stability tests to ensure the formulation we're taking to market is the most optimized one possible. Let me show you an example. These are two different formulation candidates that were put on storage for several months. As you can see, one looks very homogeneous and the other one has a significant amount of separation. This is a formulation that would not go to market. A large majority of the active ingredient is now in the bottom half of that cylinder. That's going to be a very poor formulation. It's going to be difficult to resuspend in the jug, and you're probably not going to get consistent performance out of that formulation. Also important is tank mix compatibility. When combining several products in your spray tank, they can interact together, forming large clumps or aggregates. That also could impact performance. So at Syngenta, we do extensive tank mix compatibility testing, screening a wider range of formulations, other products that you might be using, even if they're not Syngenta products, to ensure you're going to have the most success with that formulation. Unfortunately, formulation robustness and quality is not highly regulated in this country. So companies can market products that behave very poorly upon storage. So for example, this formulation that has significant separation could enter the marketplace. To develop a robust formulation takes a significant amount of scientific expertise and know-how, and a lot of resource to do that. And we at Syngenta have significant resources for formulation development. Unfortunately, some of the generic companies that are much smaller simply do not have the resources or scientific skills to develop products that meet the standards that we set for our products. In fact, when a generic company is registering a formulation or a Me Too registration, and they cite our data, they do not have access to our formulation recipe. That is contained within a document called the Confidential Business Information section. They are on their own to develop their own formulation of that active ingredient.